Hello everybody, welcome to FK Studios, and in this channel we're going to be giving a lot of tutorials, and the first tutorial in this video is going to be how to make a new YouTube channel. So we are going to start off by heading over to Google Chrome, and you could use Safari if you want, but if you use Safari you're going to have to type google.com up in the search bar. So you're going to head over to the Gmail button up in the corner, and it's going to ask you if you want to use a previous account or if you want to create a new account. So that's what we're going to click. And it's going to ask if it's for myself or for my business. But since I don't own a company, I'm just going to say it's for myself because it's a personal account for YouTube. Now it's going to ask me for my name. So I'm going to enter my first name in and my last name in the second box. So now it's going to ask me for my username, which is basically what your email address is to use to log in to your account. So I want mine to be harryj9876@gmail.com. So now you should have a strong password, some capitals, some letters, some numbers, and also a symbol like a hashtag or a full stop. So now we're going to give a strong password, which is capital J, John, capital H, Harry, 123, and hashtag at the end. And as you can see, it's quite a secure password, which will make it hard for hackers to crack. So Harry John 123 hashtag. So when you've given your password, you go down there and you click next. So now it's going to say that the username is already taken because someone already has that. So now we're going to type in a new username, which is John Harry, some numbers, and then we're going to write Harry again. And we're going to click next. And looks like that username is not taken. So now it's going to ask for your phone number just to confirm that you are not a bot. So I'm going to type in my phone number. So now that I've typed my phone number, I'm going to click next, and I'm going to receive an SMS on my mobile which has a code which I need to enter, or you could click call instead down in the corner. So I have just received the message, so I'm typing in the code. So now it's going to ask if you need a recovery email, but I don't. So I'm just going to write in my date of birth, and all date of births are fake. So now I'm going to enter my gender, and also if you're under 13, it won't let you create an account. So now I'm going to click next, and now it's just asking if I want to use my number for video calls and ads, etc. So I'm just going to click skip because I don't want to. So now in the privacy and terms, it's just talking about they're going to use your data, your IP address and stuff, and they're going to watch your activity like your history and stuff, but you could choose to not show them that. And they're also going to make ads just for you based on what you are looking for on Google. For example, shoe shopping. They're going to create ads for shoes for you. So now Google has just created a Gmail account for me, which I can also use as an email along as a YouTube account. So now we're going to start off by heading over to youtube.com, and we're going to click the sign in button up in the corner here, and it's going to sign in with my new account, Harry John. So now I'm going to click on my name icon, the H, and I'm going to click YouTube Studio, and it's going to ask me what I want to use YouTube as. For example, it's a gaming channel. I want its name to be Harry J Games. So I am going to click create channel. So now it's just going to create a channel called Harry J Games. So this YouTube Studio is basically the control center for your whole channel. So in it you could see monetization, how much you're earning or when you will start earning. And you could edit your videos, you could upload new videos, and you could also check how many viewers, subscribers, etc. And in the next video, we'll show you how to make videos, what their layout should be, and how you should edit them. So watch out for the next video. go down there and hit that like button. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and family. And also, please go down there and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.